Planning a trip to Greece and not sure what to pack? Well, stick around because we are here to make your packing process a breeze. This ultimate guide will walk you through everything you need to pack for your Greek adventure. We'll cover everything from the right clothing for the Mediterranean climate to the must-have accessories. And even essential items like sunscreen and water bottles. Plus, we've got some nifty tricks up our sleeve to help you pack efficiently and maximize your luggage space. So get your suitcase ready and let's dive right in. First on our list, clothing. Now, Greece is known for its sunny weather and beautiful beaches, but it also has its fair share of chilly nights. When you're packing for a Greek getaway, versatility is key. You'll need clothes that can take you from languid beach days to breezy evenings and from casual sightseeing to chic dining experiences. During the day, the Greek sun can be intense. Lightweight clothes like cotton t-shirts and shorts are your best friends. They're breathable, they keep you cool, and they don't take up much space in your suitcase. Ladies, a sundress can be a great option too. It's easy to throw on, it's comfortable, and it can take you from the beach to a casual lunch in no time. But when the sun sets, the Mediterranean breeze can get a bit nippy, especially if you're near the sea. So don't forget to pack a light jacket or a sweater, something you can easily layer over your day clothes. And speaking of the sea, you can't go to Greece and not spend some time on its stunning beaches. So swimwear is a must. A hat and sunglasses aren't just stylish beach accessories, they're also your shield against the midday sun. Now, let's not forget about those fantastic Greek taverns and restaurants. You'll need a couple of formal outfits for those. Gentlemen, a nice shirt and pants combo is a safe bet. Ladies, a dress or a classy top with a skirt or pants will do the trick. Remember, Greeks appreciate a good sense of style. Lastly, when it comes to colors, think light and airy. Whites, pastels, and earth tones are not only practical under the Greek sun, they also blend well with the local scenery. Remember, when in Greece, you want to be comfortable and stylish, so choose your clothing wisely. Next up, let's talk about footwear and accessories. These can make or break your travel experience. When packing for Greece, it's essential to include comfortable shoes. Trust me, your feet will thank you after a long day of exploring ancient ruins or trekking up to the Acropolis. For those planning to hike, consider shoes with good grip and support. Don't forget, Greece is famous for its beautiful beaches, so a pair of sandals is a must. They're perfect for lounging by the sea or strolling through charming coastal towns. Now, let's move on to bags. You'll want a sturdy, lightweight bag for your daytime adventures. Think something that can hold a water bottle, sunscreen, a hat, and maybe a snack or two. You'll be surprised at how handy a good bag can be when you're out and about. As for the evenings, consider a smaller purse or wallet. It's always a good idea to keep your essentials close and secure, especially in bustling nightlife areas. And a stylish little bag can really elevate your evening outfit. Remember, accessories aren't just about fashion. They're practical tools that can enhance your travel experience. A good pair of sunglasses will protect your eyes from the glorious Greek sun, and a hat can shield you from the midday heat. With the right shoes and accessories, you'll be ready to conquer any adventure that comes your way in Greece. Now let's move on to some essential items that you definitely don't want to forget. First things first, the Greek sun can be quite powerful, especially in the summer months. So sunscreen is a must have. Look for a brand that offers broad spectrum protection with a minimum of SPF 30. This will help protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. Next up, we have the reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is key to any trip, especially when exploring the picturesque landscapes of Greece. Having a reusable water bottle not only keeps you hydrated, but also contributes to reducing plastic waste. Now, let's talk about toiletries. I always recommend travel-size toiletries. They save space, adhere to airport regulations, and let's be honest, those tiny bottles are just so cute. Moving on to electronics. Greece uses a different type of power socket, so remember to pack a power adapter. This tiny device will ensure that all your gadgets stay charged and ready to capture those unforgettable moments. While we're on the topic of being prepared, why not consider packing a travel guidebook? It's always handy to have a reference at your fingertips, offering insights into local attractions, eateries, and points of interest. Lastly, a phrase book for the Greek language. Even though many Greeks speak English, having a phrase book can enhance your interaction with the locals and may even earn you a warm smile or two. Packing these essentials will ensure you're prepared for anything during your Greek adventure. Lastly, let's talk about some tips for packing all these items efficiently. You see, the way you pack your suitcase can really make a difference in how much you can fit in there. Let's start with your clothes. Instead of folding them, try rolling them. It not only saves space, but also helps to reduce wrinkles. Next, consider using packing cubes. These nifty little items are a game changer. They help you to organize your suitcase, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. Plus, they can compress your clothes, giving you more room to pack other essentials. Now, let's talk about where you place items in your suitcase. Heavier items like shoes and toiletries should go at the bottom of your suitcase. This not only helps with weight distribution, but it also protects lighter, more delicate items from getting crushed. And don't forget about the often overlooked spaces. The inside of your shoes is a great place to stuff socks or small items. Every inch of space in your suitcase is valuable, so make sure to utilize it all. Lastly, remember to leave some room for the treasures you'll find on your journey. You might discover a beautiful piece of jewelry or a unique piece of pottery that you want to bring home. With these packing tips, you'll be able to fit everything you need and still have room for souvenirs.